ochako chenro mar loso biogas mar tedo mong'ere kaka A2CT. Kagiloso e kinde yango chenro no mane okelo kanyakla jokanyo mawuok e counties ma Meru, Taita Taveta kod jotelo mathoth mawuok e migao mar alwora. Director mar riwruogna Rebecca Halama wacho ni chenro no geto miyo jodak makono puonj makare e wi rito alwora.
Invite a distinguished county leader who's going to get and receive even as we continue. And so, ladies,
in which there's some
The project will support the county government to strengthen clean cooking ecosystem. It will strengthen enterprises along the clean cooking value chain, and it will support the county government to expand cleaner cooking solutions at the household level.
Currently, we have about 27 counties who are in the process of developing energy plans. We have 8 who have launched the energy plan. I think the recent one is Embu County and Taita Taveta.
This shift towards clean cooking is going to have a huge impact in our economy. It's going to have a huge impact in our society, the way we live. It's going to have a huge impact in our education, especially for the girl child, and the greatest impact on our environment.
Traditional source of energy for cooking has been wood, which is trees around our forests. And with the continued use of that particular type of fuel, our forests start to get depleted. So the initiative that is being launched today, or that has been launched today, will actually help us to protect the environment over and above giving an opportunity to our people to use a cleaner and safer.
Obila e gweng' ma Kajiado omako achich maduong' ma uso nyasore e gweng' ma Kajiado